My name is Curt Vangsness, and I work for Obsidian Manufacturing. I'm the shop foreman. There's 4 people underneath me, and I kind of delegate work for them to keep them busy. I'm also going around and I've got a job myself to get done, but a lot of electrical and grinding work and machining. But I like it, and it's a learning experience. Every day something new, something different, and you kind of advance yourself. Even at my age, I'm still learning every day. Probably when I was about in high school, 16, 17, I did woodworking, and I also worked in the machine environment at school. The hands-on was really a cool thing, so getting into the manufacturing was basically the same way. I'd probably go to college. I wish that I would have had more schooling. But I was too big of a hurry to get into the work environment and start making money. So maybe I could have advanced myself a little better in probably manufacturing or even engineering.